Before the flight from Shanghai to Angola, I transfer at Huai'an City. Have a short visiting here. Guess how cheap this room is? Hexia Ancient Town is a beautiful old town in Huai'an with a history of over 2,500 years. Walk along its stone streets and you will see old houses from the Ming and Qing dynasties. This town was once a busy center for salt traders. Today, you can enjoy local snacks, watch folk arts, and feel the peaceful life by the ancient canal. It is a perfect place to take photos and experience the old Chinese culture. Wu Cheng'en's former residence is the home of Wu Cheng'en, the writer who created Journey to the West, one of China's most famous novels. The house has lively gardens and rooms that show how people lived in the Ming dynasty. You can see old books, writing tools, and statues of the Monkey King. It helps the visitors understand the story behind this classic tale. Then Shen Kun's Scholar's Mansion. Shen Kun was the first top scholar from Huai'an in the Ming dynasty. His large family home shows the life of a successful scholar and official. The buildings have fine wood carvings and traditional courtyards. The mansion tells a special story and offers a clear picture of ancient Chinese education and family life. Huai'an Prefectural Office is one of the best-kept ancient government offices in China. Built in the Ming Dynasty, it has grand halls, prison cells, and beautiful gardens. Visitors can see where officials worked and judged cases long ago. The buildings are large and impressive. It gives you a real feeling of China's ancient government.